Hello, good afternoon. My name is Norelle Rincon. Everyone, welcome to the strategic pitch deck for Agro AI, Intelligent Vertical Agriculture System. Today, we are excited to present our vision for innovation finance and global expansion in the agtech sector. This project represents the collaborative effort of our team. Jefferson Orduz, Norelia Rincón, Jürgen Pulgarín, Daniel López, and Clarissa Mina. Group 114, Strategic Management, Innovation, and International Business. Here, we present the strategic direction of AgroAid. The CEO leads the integration of technology, finance, marketing, and international expansion to ensure a strong and sustainable business model. First, we consider the licensing model, which allows non-exclusive licensing to third parties. Second, the sales platform model based on cloud subscription for agri-tech services. Finally, we selected the hybrid model, which combines licensing and data services. This strategic decision offers the best balance between scalability, revenue, diversification, and global adaptability.
Hello, my name is Daniel Andre Lopez Navas, Financial Strategy and Investment Institute. Total investment required $300,000, yeah, $400,000. Distribute across three strategic phases. Estimated dollar rate 5 years. Diversive funding, reduced rate and support global scalability. Venture capital for 40%. Governance grants 20%. Impact investor 15%. Strategy partners 50%. Crowdfunding 10%. Pilot $50,000, $70,000. Expansion
Expansion $100,000 to
expansion $10, $200,000. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jefferson. My role in this project is International Market Manager, and my responsibility was to analyze and define the best the global markets for the expansion of the Agro-AI. Agro-AI is a smart vertical smart system powered by artificial intelligence and automatic design to improving the agriculture production in sustainable and efficient way. Because of this novel natural it a strong potential for international commercialization. After analyzing global trends, we identified three case target regions: North America, Europe, and the Middle East. These regions were selected because they have high technology adoption, strong investment in the agri-tech, and the urgent need related to the food security and the sustainable agriculture. Each region presents different opportunities and the barriers. For example, North America has high the competition but a strong innovation ecosystem. Europe focuses heavy on the sustainability regulations. while the Middle East has critical food security challenges and the strong interest in the collect agriculture system. To enter this market sus- successful, we propose the strategy starting with the pilot project, the regional expansion, and the finally global condition. This allows AgroAI to adapt the AIDS market while reducing risks. In conclusion, AgroAid has a strong international potential, but success is dependent on strategic adaptation, regulatory understand, and strong partnerships in the her region. Thank you.
Clarissa Mina. Global branded and market is strategy bread posit agrar al seed sustainable agriculture power bid at strategy pillar aglogat aglogat agricole innovation brand not food a product innovación culture agro sustainability evolution global read B2B Spawn demand fall. Thank you.
In this slide, I will explain the financial strategy and the investment structure of AgriAI. First, the total investment required is approx 300,000 to 400,000 USD. We will use three phases to do it. The first phase is development, which requires $145,000. This stage including building the prototype, developing the AI system, and integrating the core technology. The second phase is the pilot stage. The required investment is $50,000 to $70,000. Here we test the system in real conditions and validate the performance. Finally, we have the expansion phase, which requires 100,000 to over 200,000 depending on the market. This stage focuses on scaling the project. Now looking at the investment structure, we use a diversified funding model to reduce risks. 40% comes from venture capital, which support the growth of our project. 20% from government subsidies, and especially for the innovation and sustainability. 50% from the impact investors focused on environment and social impact, and another 50% from strategic partners who help with infrastructure and market access. And finally, we have the 10% for crowdfunding, which also helps with the early valuation. In terms of return, we expect a ROI between 3 to 5 years, which make the projects attractive for investors. Overall, this financial strategy ensures the ROI is scalable, sustainable, and attractive for investors while minimizing financial risk through diversification.